Hello guys, in this video we will be talking about the customization, how to do customization in this block theme. So for that we will go to the layout option, and here in the layout different options are given: header, logo, main menu, main intro, and social widget. So one by one we will go through all these steps. To begin with the theme option, actually in this section there is no need to do anything, so let it be in the default mode only. To begin with, let's start with the header logo. So to change the logo, we'll click here edit option, and here you can change the block title. You can give this small description here. Let's suppose if we want to add our logo. So to add the logo, you want to simply click on upload image from your computer. Click here, then we need to select the file. So once the file is uploaded, uh, you need to simply click on save. Now in this theme, when we refresh, then here it will be, our logo will appear. So if I refresh this, so here you can see our logo is added. Now this is the main menu. This section, uh, here only we can control or we can change the navigation of our website. So we will do this, but before that let's talk about the main intro. In this section you can change the background image. You can also change the title and caption. So this is the title, and below this text this is the caption, and for this button URL is you can add the link here. And yeah, after doing the changes you need to click on save. So right now I will leave the default mode only. This is the home ads. Here you can add AdSense code at your home page. So in this theme, here you can see a separate space is given for responsive advertisement. So when we get approved from the AdSense, you need to copy the ad and paste it here. So in the home page, at this area, your display ad will be displayed. So the next option is the social widget. So if we click here, there are so many options given: Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, Reddit. So you can choose the social profile link, and from the edit option you need to simply give here the URL, your profile URL. Then after giving the URL, you need to simply click on the save. So whenever somebody click on this social media icon, yeah, he will be redirected to your social media profile. Now here many options is given: popular posts, subscribers, Facebook categories. So you can change the position by drag and drop only. So let's suppose this Facebook option I don't want to show, or I just want to delete them. So to delete, you simply click on remove, and it will be this Facebook option, it will be removed. If I refresh, here you can see it is removed. Now okay, here categories is given as well as labels also given. So okay, I will leave this as a default mode. uh, it is closed right now, but if in your case if it is enabled, so make sure either you can enable the category or you can enable the labels. So just do the changes according to your need. In my case category is already okay. Here category is not given, so I will change the category option. I will click here, and I will check all and click on the save option. So if I refresh this, here you can see category is added. Okay, so our category is added. Now so rest of the thing I will leave in the default mode only, because all this option we need actually. So yeah, in this subscribe option you need to give the your if you have YouTube channel, you can give the link to your channel in this option, in this subscribers option. If you click here, uh, you can either you can give the URL, or you can give the code to display your profile channel. Now this is the about us logo section. If we go to this footer option, here logo we need to change, right? So for that I will again click here, and you can change the title, caption. So let's suppose in the title I would like to give my name only, and for image I will upload our URL, sorry, our logo. Click here, and I will, once it is uploaded, I will click on save. So our logo is uploaded, and I will click on save, and if I refresh, here our logo is added. And this is the social media widget. Here also you need to give your profile links only. So after giving the links, you need to simply click on save, and this is the footer menu. But before that, let's try to change the website navigation. So currently, if you see in the preview, these are options are given which we actually currently we don't need. So for that, I will first of all remove the unwanted options. So for that, here you can see the delete option. I will delete all the option. Okay, now for home page, if I click here, home name is added, but we need to give some URL. So for that, I will take the home page URL only. I will paste it here, and I will click on save. And now let's suppose I want to give the, okay, but before that, if I refresh, okay, when I click on the save, and I refresh, and here you can see only home option is given. Now let's suppose I want to give pages, contact us, and privacy policy. So for that, here in the main menu, I will add a new item, and here I will give name contact us, and for URL I will click here. I will take the URL, and I will paste here, and click on the same. And again I will add another new item, and this time I will give privacy policy. I will click the URL again, and here I will give the name privacy policy. Then again I will click in the save, Okay, now if I refresh here, options, you can see it is visible, the option. If I click on contact us, it will redirect us to contact us page. If I click on privacy policy, it will redirect us to privacy policy page. Okay, so let's suppose I want to give a blog category, and in the blog category, when somebody click on blog topics, then it will redirect us to the all blog related website topics, right? And when we somebody clicks on SEO, so it should redirect to all SEO related contents. So for that, okay, again in the main menu, we will click here, and here again we will add a new item, and here I will give site name as blog, and I will simply click on save, and again I will add a new item, and this time I will go in the category. I will click on blogging tips. I will take the URL, and I will give the name blogging tips. I will click on save, and if I save this option, and when I refresh, here you can see blog and blogging tips is added to the navigation. But here actually these both are created in the separate page, right? So let's suppose to give this drop uh, drop menu, we will do small changes for that. In this, for in the blogging tips, let's suppose the blog is the section, and inside the blog section this blogging tips should be appear, right? So for that I will click on edit, and before the blogging I will add a small underscore, and I will save the changes. So even I again refresh, so you can see when I hover the mouse, blogging tips is appearing at the drop down menu. So in the same way, for another this SEO category also I will do the same. I will copy the URL. I will go to the main menu. Again I will add a new item. I will paste the URL, and I will give the name. Sorry. I will give the name. After done the all changes, click on save, and if I refresh, oh, my mistake. We need to add a small underscore in the name. So before the name, you need to give underscore and click on save. So again, when I refresh, so here you can see for blogging, blogging tips and SEO, these two topics it is appearing. So when I click in this option, here you can see topics related to SEO it is showing, and when I click on blogging tips, SEO related to blogging tips it is showing. Okay, but here if you want, this entire option should be before the home page, or you can change the position of these pages. So for that we will click on this main menu option, and here you can see up and down arrows are given. This is to move upwards, this is to move item downwards. So let's suppose I want this blog option to right after this home page. So for that I will click on move this item upwards. I will again click on the same, and here you can see home is given, and below after home blog option is given. And this same process we will do with this blogging tips and SEO as well. So I will click here. Okay, home, blog is the menu, and blogging tips and SEO is the same menu. So after done the changes, click on the save. So if I refresh the preview, here you can see home, blogging tips and SEO. They have changed their position. So in this way, you can do according to your needs. And the same process for the footer menu also we can give. Here also you need to give the add new item, give the URL, you need to change the position, give the menus and some menus, everything here only you can you have to do the same things. So this is all about the customization. So in the next video we will try to give a contact us form in this contact us page, and also try to give email subscription option in this website. So see you in the next video.